Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make hot chocolate. First, you put Milo, of course, and then you put honey, because this is a fast way, and then you put hot water, and then you put hot water. Sometimes we say if I spill, don't blame me. And then you will get this. And then if you mix it up, you will get this.